Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve one of the most annoying errors that is an unknown network error has occurred on Instagram. Many users have complained about this issue, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Most probably an unknown network error has occurred. Instagram arises due to weak internet connection, wrong internet settings on your phone, when the Instagram server is down, because of cached data files of Instagram app, when the date and time on your device are incorrect, and due to misconfigured app preferences. Now, let's move on to fix Instagram. An unknown network error has occurred with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Mostly, the Instagram an unknown network error has occurred arises due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying these basic tips. Turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Clear cache and data of Instagram app. The cache files have also been found to be responsible for the unknown network error in Instagram. Simply clear the cache and data of the app. For this, you need to open Settings, then go to the Apps or App Manager. Find and click on the Instagram app. Go to the Storage option. Tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, open the Instagram app and re-log into the account. Solution 3. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your error problem. Solution 4. Check date and time on phone. In several cases, the Instagram app doesn't work due to wrong date and time. Usually, it is a rare case, but once you should check the date and time is right. Even you can follow the steps for date and time. On your phone, go to Settings, then System, and now select Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time. Now, check the app, if you are getting the same error. Solution 5. Update Instagram app. If the app is not updated, then also there is a chance to come across an unknown error has occurred Instagram. So check once whether any update is available or not. If an update is available, then immediately go for it. To do so, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for the Instagram app and open it in the Play Store. Now, tap on the Update button, if available, and wait for the process to get finished. Once the app is updated, restart the device. Now, check if you can use Instagram without facing an unknown network error. So, this is all about fixing an unknown network error on Instagram. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.